There were some goats on the ark, and the goats shook their heads, and they went, meh,
Sure don't.
meh. Now let me see, what else was there on the ark? Some donkeys. Let's see some long-eared donkeys. And the donkeys went, ee-aw, ee-aw. Gee, it was noisy on the ark, but it was lots
No,
of
sure
fun
don't.
too. So why don't you come on board?
Go over here so I can watch you dance. Yeah. Holy cow, you got moves. Fingers out. Are you tired? Wow-wee.